Alright, it's Germany 13, maybe 14, I'll have to check later. On Discord, I rolled tech and I hit heavy armor, completed, and also hit for factories. For buys, Lend Lease and a tank. Maybe. Lend Lease and airborne for sure. Yeah. Well, Lend Lease a tank. Buying 3 heavy armors, 2 heavy tigers, 2 panzers, advanced mechs, 2 militia upgrades, and airborne and tech transport. And a DAC upgrade. For 71. Combats, these guys just chilling. I guess I could go here. No. Yeah, I don't see a reason why not. Other combats. This fighter goes 1. I think that's 1. 2. Panzer goes boom boom. They'll go in there. 18th. I'll send a fighter that way. And the rest of them go and protect the Navy that's right there. These 3 bombard. They're bringing... Okay, so these 2 tanks came from... Sorry. West Poland. Advanced mech came from Lithuania. Panzer came from, I'm pretty sure, Western Germany. Infantry came from Western Germany. Eastern Germany. And... Western Germany again. Airborne started here. Fighters started here. I just realized one's a normal transport, but honestly, that's fine. Shit, my girlfriend's calling me, 1 second. Okay, we're back. Other combats. This takes Free France. Sadly, that's kind of it. Hey, Chili. Chili's my cat. I'll do something like that. Yeah. That's all the combat. Let's do it. So we can do this one first. It's small, so it's a 1 versus a 4 and a 6. I don't know why the 4. Okay. Brown's the 1. Red is the fighter. Fighter hits, so does the Panzer. So I get this. Tank dies, and then this happens. Fighter, teal will be the 3 mechs. I feel like they'll just hit, so I'll roll those. Oh, they didn't. Cav and infantry. Uh-oh, his airborne. Okay, well, 3 mechs and infantry. No cav in here. I'll do it, and then his infantry. Okay. On to rating. So order does matter, but yeah, I'll do it here first. So I'll be black, even though red's been hitting it a lot. So I have 2 subs here. Let's go. So I have +1. It's 2, 3. Jesus. 3. +4. 7. I like those. I like those a lot. And then we'll do this one. And this will be this one. Miss. I think I hit. 2, 3. It's another 3 damage. So 7, 10 damage total. Crazy enough. Seven there. Really doesn't matter. I need to stop. Something like that. So down to 5. So everything's in A23. Air Force did come to protect against scrambles, but I did bomb this. He is intercepting, so he has 2 at 3 versus my 1 at 2. This is for London. Nothing. And then here is the bombing run. 1 damage, no hit. Nice. Not really, but something. So I'll put that there. Then this lands. I should battle border. I should just be organized. But first things first, first strikes. So 2 at 4 and a 3. One first strike on a militia. Everything lands. So he has an AA, so he'll roll that first, as well as his fighters. Those? Okay. One, two, three. So my entire Air Force dies. Then my fighter shoots. It's a hit. Then everything lands. So yeah. Let me get the proper colors out. 2s, 3s. Actually, no. My cat. this came on an attack transport, so it's a 3. And there's 3 2s. One, two, 3. 3 ground hits. So that. He does 2 militia. And 3 ground. Yep. 2 hits. So everything lands. Round 2. So I don't know if the Marine is still a 3 or not. I think it is, but we'll see. One hit. And he has this. One hit. Go again. 3, 2 hits. 1 hit. And then this. 1 hit. And he will get the final hit. Dies. We'll see about this in the end. A lot of damage on the air, but I can't do much about that. It was a risk I was willing to take. Snockom. That goes there. This goes here. Honestly, they all could just sit here. This fighter comes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything moves here. This gets railed to southern Iraq. This walks forward. This walks forward. These move forward. This guy I didn't know existed. Gets railed forward. Ah, shoot. Whatever. This guy non-combat's 1, 2, 3. This guy goes off of map. This guy flies in here. Actually, he'll just stay out here. And then there's some non-com that I'm not entirely sure about. Oh, this guy landed in Bavaria because he went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just trying to get the main parts down before I do anything weird. Oh, yeah, these guys come down. this comes here. Alright, I think I want to pause here to figure out non-comps, and then, yeah. I think for starters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's better in Western Germany. I believe this guy is gonna get railed East Poland. I think that's 1, maybe 2. 3. That might be the third rail, I think. Completed 1, 2. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see much else. I'm just gonna put another one of these down. And follow the fleet. And I think go to the final phase. Yep. God knows what I forgot. 'Cause I know I forgot. But I don't think I forgot anything. Maybe this Berlin guy, but safety first. I mean, he could technically rail, but like, yeah, whatever. Okay. So, final phase, I can see roll for captured ships and ports. So, I'm going to do that real quick. Oh, hold on. Let me do it like this. Alright, there we go. Hold for better. Where's the capture to transport? I think I can leave that out if I want. I'll just leave it in, but if I leave it out, it's just dead. So I'll leave it in port. And then recruitments. So Spain. 12. I think I have a 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I missed. Oof. And Vichy. 12. I should not ask for that. I regret it. Alright, time to place units. This DAC guy over here gets upgraded. They get an airborne. Put a transport. I'll just spawn in the Netherlands. I have 5 heavy armor. I have questionable moves for the next turn. Actually, let me pause real quick. Actually, let me complete everything else. I know a militia upgrade is going here. And I know a militia upgrade is going, I believe, the Netherlands. So then these 4. And I don't even need an airborne anymore. Lol. Shit. Panzers get made in here. Here. Tank goes down through here, through yonder, and hits here, Kyushu. So really it's just the tanks. I think all the tanks are going to Western Germany though, so I'm just putting the single damage on. There we go. I organized it up, put the 5 tanks in 86, and yeah, that's it. And then collect. Oh, I don't know if I put it on video, but I upgraded the Netherlands. Yeah, I did. So 59 plus 8, 67. That's it.